Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech Gamers World. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get from New York Penn Station to the Moynihan Train Hall without even going outside. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Let's do this. Alright everyone, welcome back. So as I said in the introduction, I'm going to show you how to get over to the Moynihan Train Hall in New York City from Penn Station without even having to go outside. So let's get it started here. So we're going to go in the West 33rd Street and 8th Ave entrance. We're going to go down the escalator to the main concourse area for New Jersey Transit. So when you reach the main concourse area for New Jersey Transit, what you want to do here is go left and go down to where it says LIRR Subway 1, 2, and 3, ACE 1, 2, and 3. You can see right up there, Long Island Railroad, Subway, ACE 1, 2, and 3. So when you're down on the LIRR side of New York Penn Station, what you want to do is head down towards the subway and the Moynihan Train Hall underground passage. You'll know you're going the right way when you see this sign up here. It says Moynihan Train Hall, 8th Ave, Amtrak, Subway, AC and E. What you're going to do here is pass the entrance to the subway system and continue along this corridor. So right now we are underneath the street, 8th Ave, 33rd Street intersection. And you're going to continue up this underground passage. And we are now underneath the Moynihan Train Hall. As you can see right there, there is the exit to 33rd Street downtown. So the easiest way to get up to the Moynihan Train Hall is right here. Just follow the signs and ride the escalator. And when we reach the top here, I'll show you where we're at. So if you walk this way, it will bring you out into the main concourse area of the Moynihan Train Hall. As you can see here, pretty cool. And now I will take you outside to show you where we started. So if you come back this way, go up this ramp, it's going to take you right outside to 8th Ave and 33rd Street. And as you can see, we are right across the street from where I started before. As you can see, there is the Moynihan Train Hall sign, the door we came out, and you are now on the opposite side of 8th and 33rd Street. Hope everybody enjoyed this video. As always, if you could please click that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to have new and exciting content coming soon. Thanks a lot, everybody, and I will see you around. Keep on traveling.